Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see what are the advanced SQL commands are going to discussing in upcoming sessions. Till now, you have learned a very basic and join the tables up to level you have learned. From here onwards, you will learn what are the built-in functions which are ready-madely we can using that function while writing the SQL statements. We will see what are the standard commands we are going to discussing now. See here, timestamps. It's a very important for on to creating a database table for every each and every row of the data or record. You can say that it's required to maintain the data when it is inserted the data or when it is modified and who is the inserted the data. These are the common standard parameters we have to maintain in the database table on for every record. For the purpose, there is a timestamps are there different formats which we'll use regular way we'll discussing with that and extracting from default timestamp. There is a default timestamp is available in SQL language and a PostgreSQL server where we can how to extract from the default timestamp to where I require only year or month or day of a particular month as wise from the date we pass the parameter from the date we can get it by using simple parameters to extracting from as we require the concerned values from the date stamp and mathematical functions. On writing a query, there is a mathematical functions like addition, subtract, modification, and function like a module. These are by applying the assignment of the symbol, we can get it in a mathematical functionality which is available in PostgreSQL server and string functions. Many of the built-in functions like a string length verification, concatenation, and upper lower case of the case sensitive like a changing of the case of the letter, those are also string functions which are already available built in SQL of Postgres. We'll see how it is. And one more, there is an advanced command of creating subqueries or inner query. A query where we are going to preparing like a SQL statement inside another SQL statement. A query inside I'm preparing a query a purpose to reach a certain result set. We call it as a subquery or inner queries like inner loop and outer loop. Whereas similarly here it is inner query and outer query. While preparing the SQL statement, we'll make it as a query statements. That's what about the all in advanced SQL commands we are going to discussing. Thank you for enjoying this session.